July 15, 2022 is a Friday. Welcome to your daily weather for Houston. Dress for heat. The temperature today should reach up to 97 degrees Fahrenheit and down to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity is at 39%. You can expect 0.69 millimeters of rain and no snow today. Some clouds. We've got moderate wind at about 12 miles per hour. Tomorrow is going to be hot with clear sky. Sunday is going to be hot with scattered clouds. Monday is going to be hot with scattered clouds. Tuesday is going to be hot with clear sky. Wednesday is going to be hot with clear sky. Thursday is going to be hot with few clouds. Friday is going to be hot with overcast clouds. No weather alerts at the moment. And now for the news. Warning: some news stories can be disturbing or offensive. Stories are provided by various sources. In other Texas news, Rangers Corey Seager to replace George Springer on 2022 MLB All-Star Game roster. John Bunch icon SportsWire via Getty Images. Texas Rangers shortstop Corey Seager is an All-Star for the third time in his career. For our next story, Parkland shooting victim's dad who interrupted Biden's speech is parading school buses in front of Ted Cruz's house to represent children killed by guns. The Parkland shooting victim's dad who on Monday interrupted President Joe Biden's speech about gun control is sending a fleet of 52 school buses to Sen. Next up, MLB roundup, leaving 10 players at home, Royals win in Toronto. Reuters. July 15, Bobby Witt Jr. and Nate Eaton homered and Edward Olivares had 3 hits and an RBI as the depleted Kansas City Royals defeated the host Toronto Blue Jays 31 on Thursday night. For our next story, Tesla tries to push mass-layoffs lawsuit out of court. Tesla on Thursday asked a U.S. court to dismiss a lawsuit claiming the electric car maker violated federal law by laying off hundreds of workers without advance notice. Wow, I have no opinion at all, but Texas contests federal order to grant life-saving abortions. The U.S. state of Texas has sued the Biden administration over recent federal guidelines directing doctors to perform emergency abortions in cases where the life of a pregnant patient is at risk. For our next story, TV Tonight, pump up the volume for the first night of the proms. BBC Proms, first night of the proms 7:15 p.m., BBC 2. The Beebs' 8-week classical music season kicks off, with Clive Muir i.e. hosting the opening night from the Royal Albert Hall. In other Texas news, Alex Jones defiant in deposition in Sandy Hook hoax lawsuit. Hartford, Con.
That's it, Texas. Have a good one.
To help support improvement of our show, please click subscribe. See description for sources. This content contains information from OpenWeather (TM) API, which is made available here under the Open Database License (ODBL).